Hi, Janelle here, and I am going to do a demonstration of how to make jewelweed juice for poison ivy and poison oak and other kind of bug bites, itchy things on the skin. Jewelweed is right here, and so you'll want to first identify the plant. It has a very juicy stem. Here are the leaves. It's easy to identify if it has the orange and yellow flower on the top. It's part of the touch-me-not family, and it will flower soon, so it's almost July. It hasn't flowered, and we have a lot of wet soil because we have creek, so I'm very comfortable identifying the jewelweed. So what I did was I took this plant and I ripped it into smaller pieces. It's easy to rip, and I filled this, it's like a blender, half wet, well, not quite halfway, but almost halfway, and then I added 2 cups of water and just blended it as smooth as you can get it. It's still pretty chunky, but you want to make it smooth so there's not big pieces of leaf and stem. And then it's pretty simple. You just strain the liquid into a clean jar. I'm using a towel so in case I spill, but the liquid is very, I want to say slimy. It's an herb that has a lot of mucilage, so it's very soothing. It's like comfrey, burdock, marshmallow root. They have that like soothing chemical property for irritated skin, so it will look slimy kind of when you pour it through the strainer, but that's fine. So I'm just like pressing the pulp a little bit, and I'm going to fill up this jar and keep this in the refrigerator to use with cotton balls. So the coolness of the refrigerator will be soothing to be able to apply this cold liquid that has this extra property for inflamed skin. It neutralizes the poison effect from poison ivy. Now the other thing you can do is take this liquid and pour it into ice cube trays, and I would definitely recommend that. In fact, a whole quart of this is just way too much because we won't use it fast enough before it would go bad, because it only lasts about a week in the refrigerator, and you'll have to keep your eye on it and your nose smelling it to make sure it smells good. So I would actually fill up a couple ice cube trays, freeze the cubes, and then put them in a Ziploc bag, label with the plant and the day, month, year, and then that's even nicer to take the ice cube right out of the freezer, and you can apply that directly to the skin and let it melt and be cool and really comfortable. So thanks for watching today, and I hope to be back soon to make another video.